top of the SI morning. Top of the SI morning. Well, yeah, morning for me. I know you guys have been up before that, but I'm trying to do uni diaries, UKZN Diaries for as long as I can. And I'm doing it even now. So I've dropped one today, this morning. So today we are on to UKZN Diaries number 2 for the semester. So let's go to this SI. Yeah, I wanted to try and not be sad in this video. The last one I realized, but I was a bit sad. Shame. I told you guys that I'm struggling. I told you guys that ngoba ke pink perfume ngenxa nje yabo lokumanzi day. But this time around I'm going to be showing you guys brightness, the brighter side of being who I am as a UKZN student. So as you can see, I'm very bright even what I'm wearing. So y'all, let's go. Hi guys, so I also went to the mall after my SI today. And this is what I got. You wouldn't believe me if I told you this was 7 trillion. All of this was 7 trillion. I've never had this before, but for some reason I think it's nice. And for some reason my taste buds think they are familiar with this thing. I haven't bought these since January. Spaghetti. Well, not since January, but like since last year, in first year. And then you know what they do, Mzanzins. And then I also got bread, and then I also got these meatballs from Super Save, and I pray that they're of good quality. And then I also got these girls, there's no way I leave them out, and I also got Nutri-Day to go with the Weet-Bix since I didn't buy milk, and I also got oatmeal, and I also got amabele and some jam and some tomato sauce when I have this and this. Oh, and I also went to Clicks and to Pep. So from Pep, I got this magnolia oil. I bought magnolia stuff, more magnolia stuff. And then from Clicks, I got this girl over here. And I also got these 2 girls and her twin sister. And then I also got these balls. And then I also got this girl. I've never used her before. And that's it. Oh, it's a sunny day. And everybody's feeling okay. Everybody. Oh, I'm not dealing with. As somebody see your corn. Zan. Oh, it's a Sunday remix. And everybody loves the Lord. Ooh, I'm not dealing with. As somebody see your corn. Zan. Johnny, welcome back to UKZN Diaries with us. I am Kunjana. That's what's up. So remember I told you that I bought that porridge sour that I don't know, but I think my taste buds telling me that I'm familiar with it. I made it today, and my taste buds are familiar. I wouldn't say it's not nice because like I'm get dry, but once I'm tasting it, I realize that idengayidla on a daily lena ijangiotsa imnandi iphalisha limnandi but uyayidla imnandi but akade ngichaza kanjani. It's that thing yobana awujwayele like uyayiqabuka awujwayele but ayimbi but ukuthi nje awujwayele. So I'm having it now. Yep. Has a very interesting taste, I must say. a combination of ipalishi and other stuff, of course. To the nines. So a lecturer of mine says he won't give us back our scripts. He says he will give us back the scripts master by the exam. Because again, I thought I aced that paper to the T, okay, to the T. And then maybe I passed, but I didn't do very well. I did not do it well at all, but I passed. So I'm thinking to myself, ngirongephi indlela engiphendula ngayo angazi ngifuna ukwazi phela next week I'm writing test 2 but ngifuna ukusika ama-paper so we can see ukuthi yini inkinga, because me I know for a fact I am not going to regurgitate ama-slides out billions, and you guys gave us a lot of slides and also gave us a textbook. You can't expect me to keep to memory all of that. I just must have an understanding of what you're teaching me in class so that I'm able to actually give you some summary so what you want. Besides, give me the characteristics of Azania or of a dog or of a cat or of the cyclone. Then I can list properly. But things that are supposed to be explanations, you can't expect me to vomit out what I read in the textbook. Why go wrong? Why is it wrong? So I'm just like, guys, I'll catch you later. Let me finish this milk. Cream meal.